Hello guys, this is tutorial stream. In this video you will learn how you can mark a task, be it recurring or single task, as complete in the HabitNow application. So let us begin. Alright, in the first step let me launch the HabitNow app on my Android. And here guys, basically what you need to do is navigate to today here in the bottom left corner so that you may be given access to a list of all tasks that need to be completed for the given day. You may also navigate through the calendar here at the top. So today is Monday 6th, and for today I have these 3 tasks to be completed. Go to the grocery store, upload a video, and go to the gym. So basically all that will be needed to do is tap into that circle here to the right to mark the given task as complete, and that's it. You may also unmark them as complete or unselect them if the given task hasn't been completed yet or not entirely. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.